take this simple little jumper. You connect it to the bottom of the fan to one of these bottom points. You take your onshore board, plug it into one of the points of the relay, the back. Then you find your neutral pair should be white, and then your red pair, you go to take a blue pair of the red foil, and then connect it directly onto the relay. And turn your SIN over. Then you take the line which will lead to your white, which it is still connected. You take one point, and if it doesn't work, disconnect line from your white. Take the shorter point connected to your white, like this. And then take the longer point and connect it to your fan. It's all from the Wi-Fi itself. The light over here, let's touch it. So your light isn't close to the fan. So all the cables are free. And in this case, the line needs one cable. So I'm just going to put it back into these on. Do something handy. Oh no, we can use that for 1 years old. This is a day. Oh, what? Now I push this, I found wheels on screen. Now what I can do is I'll just switch your light on. So you will push this button, you see this, and right, let's take the buttons. 1, 2, 3. You push this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The fish symbol. I'm not sure you can see that. And then you turn this in 1, 2, 3. And then you push start. That's how right now that's how this boot is not broken and the store is properly working state. And that's where all the subjects are going to do is the Wi-Fi and the